Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
The Adventurous Kids Show went to Blazing Star Nature Preserve in Boca Raton, Florida. Remnants of the Atlantic coastal ridge, ancient dunes that once marked the ocean front in southeastern Florida pop up now and again in the most unexpected places. Blazing Star Preserve is one of those spots. It's in the thick of an older residential community in Boca Raton, so it's downright puzzling that it survived decades of development that surround it. Being next to I-95 probably helped. Perhaps the land was once slated for retention pond or an off-ramp. Fortunately, that didn't happen. This slender slice of the ridge, 26 acres in all, offers a bounty of scrub forest atop sparkling white sand and a 1 mile long loop to explore. Pets are not permitted in this nature preserve. The preserve is located at 1751 West Camino Rio Road, Boca Raton, Florida, 33486, and is open 8 a.m. to sunset. Audience, go see the scrubbiness of Blazing Star Nature Preserve. Band.
Welcome to Blazing Star Nature Preserve. Let's go hike. So during this time in the pandemic, we need to do something called social distancing. We need to stay at least 2 meters or 6 feet from each other. This is the preserve map. Today we'll be hiking this entire circle here. This is a gopher tortoise sign. These are the rules and regulations. Precaution, because poison ivy can cause a rash there. Let's go hiking. A flower is a plant's reproductive organ. Fertilization happens. Littering is illegal. You could get a fine or go to jail for littering, and it's bad for the environment. These are saw palmettos living up to 10,000 years. This is a grapevine, and that's a cactus. Did you know cacti and cactuses are both the correct plural, just depending on how you use it? I bet you can guess what those spines are for. To protect it for animals trying to get the water that's inside the cactus. Look at this weird thing. I think it's a caterpillar. These caterpillars are eating this scrub oak. I don't know what species it is, but it's pretty cool. That one is shedding its skin like a dog because it's standing like that with its front legs up. This is a type of fungus mushroom in this tree stump. Another one. Dang, that's a big caterpillar. This is a Florida scrub habitat. All these plants here, they make up the scrub community. This is a sand pine, Florida native sand pine. Sand pines can grow up to 33 feet tall, but exceptionally they can grow up to 69 feet tall. Now let's go on the loop trail. Whoa, look at that cacti with the flowers. Amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at that tree, it's half green, half dead. Dang. When you're hiking, get the hot weather, make sure you drink water so you don't get dehydrated or heat stroke. Very, very important. On these dead trees. But dead trees are very important to wildlife. Animals make their homes in dead trees, such as this one here. This place is cool. Wasp. Don't get their wasps because if you make them mad, they'll sting you. Salt palmettos grow 1.2 centimeters every year. You can measure that by how long the roots grow every year, which these are the salt palmetto roots. So when it's very sunny and light out, you need to wear sunscreen or else you get sunburn and have the risk of skin cancer. make sure you do this and you rub it until all of the white is gone. And there we have it. Curious to see what this is. Sand pine forest there. Look, it's the famous wood snake there. Florida native crab or beaver spider. This is beautiful. What a pretty forest. That's really cute. And poor thing. Some fungus on this tree branch. Dang, look at all these little oaks going on the trail and along the trail. This is a Florida native golden orb beaver spider. The females are much bigger than the males. These are Florida native, but they don't live exclusively in Florida. Dang, boy. Look at the size of that golden orb beaver spider. Holy crazy cow. See its offspring? It's one baby. And another baby. It's the other side of mama. Golden orb beaver spider. The golden orb beaver spider is also known as the writing spider, the giant wood spider, or the banana spider. The web silk is golden in color. The female normally eats its male mate after mating. This is a fern. There are non-seed plants that produce using spores, not seeds. There's another huge golden orb beaver spider. Spanish moss, but it is not actually a moss, it is a bromeliad. Very interesting. This is very interesting. Florida native wild coffee. Cacti scattered in there. Strangler fig. The trail has suddenly turned very grassy here, and very muddy too. Yeah, the trail's definitely become less grassy now. This looks like an irrigation area. See, these pipes bring the water here. Florida native blanket flower. Butterflies love it. Nectaring on it. A queen butterfly nectaring a Florida native blue mist. They also lay eggs on milkweed just like the monarch. Florida native blue jay. Ooh, look, another caterpillar. It's a big one too. So right now, it is 12:54 p.m. on Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. Nature Preserve. It is illegal to pick saw palmetto berries, although they're not berrying right now. Here's the famous wooden snake again. Another golden orb weaver spider in this web nest. There's a woodpecker there. Right behind the tree, waiting for it to come back out. There it is. Woodpecker. Isn't that cacti with the yellow flowers pretty? We're almost at the end of the trail. Well, that's all, folks. Goodbye, Blazing Star Nature Preserve.
What did you learn today? Adventurous kids. Adventurous kids. What was the most interesting fact? Adventurous kids. Adventurous kids. Adventurous